Hi friends and welcome to Zig Wheels. Today we have with us a very special SUV from Skoda. Yes, it might look familiar to you on the outside, but it packs a very special character on the inside. It is the Kodiaq RS. It is the only SUV from Skoda to wear the RS badge and also the fastest 7-seater SUV around the Nürburgring. So what makes it so fast, huh? Yes, it packs a 2-liter diesel engine under that hood with two turbochargers. Total output of 240 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. This SUV means serious business. 0 to 100 can be clocked in 7 seconds flat, and keep your foot down and it will achieve a top speed of 220 kilometers an hour. From the outside, there are a lot of elements which differentiate it from the standard Kodiaq. Starting with these mean looking 20-inch wheels. And look closely, you'll find the red calipers which gives it the right sporty stance. Even on the bumper there are a lot of sharp pieces which makes it look a lot more sportier than the standard Kodiaq we are used to seeing on the Indian roads. Even around the back, you'll feature similar sharp elements, including these chrome exhaust tips and this red line going under the boot of the car, which is a standard fitment for all the RS versions sold by Skoda. Now let's have a look inside. Inside the car, you're greeted with Alcantara. Just like we have seen on the Octavia RS in the country, the seats wear Alcantara leather, and there's also some Fox carbon fiber on the dashboard. You get the same virtual cockpit as you have seen on the Indian car, but here the dials are red. It gives it a more appealing and a more sporty look. Coming down to the center console, you have a large touchscreen, the standard Kodiaq instrument, dual zone AC, storage, and the gear shifter. Like you can see, it gets a VRS badge as well. So transmission on the Kodiaq is a 7-speed DSG and also gets 4x4, which can send up to 85% of the power to one wheel when required. Even the rear seats are dressed in Alcantara with the ever special VRS badging. Now we have driven this car around for a little bit, and I can tell you, no matter when you put your foot down, the Kodiaq RS is happy to get a move on. A very interesting feature about the Kodiaq RS is also its dynamic audio. What it does is, when you're driving in the mode, let's say the comfort mode or the eco mode, it keeps all the volume of the exhaust in the engine very low. But the moment you shift to a sports mode, the speakers send you fake exhaust noise to improve your experience in the cabin. Shall we fire it up? Let's do it. Like mentioned, let's switch to the sports mode and just listen to this. Yes, that sounds very tempting, but again, that's fake noise coming from the speakers and not really the exhaust. So, when you switch back to the eco mode, the cabin goes absolutely silent and the voice goes away as well. See the difference? Along with this, the Kodiaq also comes with dynamic chassis control, which means when you're driving hard in sports mode, the Kodiaq remains very flat while going through corners. But when you switch to comfort mode, the dampings soften up and give you a nice and planted ride quality. It's not as plush as we have seen on the standard Kodiaq which is available in the country, but yes, it will keep you comfortable over some broken patches of roads. But whenever there is a surface undulation or a speed breaker, you will have to slow down considerably. So, we have driven this car and we will be putting up a text review of the car really soon on the ZigWheels website, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to the ZigWheels YouTube channel.